What's up? It's a beautiful Sunday. Today we are going to film how to wash my hair. What better way to enjoy a Sunday but wash my hair right next to the beach? Let's go. We do have the sink moved over to the door side. So the sink used to be underneath here. I had to cut the whole thing out and move it, and I have a lift up thing here, and I just refinished all of these so they're perfectly flat and smooth and clean. This one we had a bit of warping with, so I had to redo this entire block. And okay, happy Sunday. We're gonna wash my hair by the beach. This is how I do it. I got the sink over here. I actually did raise this sink up quite a bit, 4 inches. It's a little bit higher than all the other countertops in here. I just get my hair wet first. Obviously strip. So smooth. It's a little cold. Oh yeah, feels great. So tea tree shampoo is my favorite. It just gives you a nice little tingle and it's really good for your scalp. And tea tree oil is an amazing supplement for a ton of other things. Here we go. Okay, I got my tea tree and I'm gonna just leave that. Okay, we got this rinsed out. We're gonna get some conditioner. I got some Kristen S curl conditioner. Shout out Kristen S, not sponsored. This is just leftover, but it is really great. Super thick stuff. Okay, really thick. And it does help with the curls. I'm trying to curl in my hair, but it's really not. It's slow going. So this I'm gonna leave in for probably a couple minutes. I recommend people leave their conditioner in. Honestly, it's just better for your hair. The hair, soak it up and then rinse it out. Okay, got my curl conditioner in. We're gonna rinse this out. Not glamorous, but it is nice to have the sink raised up a bit. I'm 6 foot tall and I had the sink a lot lower and God, it was irritating. Oh, it feels great. I put some in my beard too. And that's how I wash my hair in the van. Happy Sunday, everybody. Vibes. But for real though, this video may seem simple or trivial, but it is so hard for me to slow down and actually relax. So taking a Sunday out to just film a silly video like how I wash my hair in the van. Kind of a thing. So, yeah. Slow down, smell the roses.